Hello, this is lecture 6, Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. In continuation of problems on real number system, let us see the problem 7. For all a, b, c, d belongs to R plus, a greater than b and c greater than d, then a by d is greater than b by c. See that the problem. All the A, B, C, D's belongs to R plus. The conditions are to be A greater than B and C greater than D. Then the result is to be A by D is greater than B by C. See that how can we find that the result? Let for all A, B, C, D belongs to R plus. That means all the positive real numbers, comma, A greater than B and C greater than D. These are the two conditions. Suppose A greater than B, comma, C greater than 0, because all are positives, implies by right cancellation law AC is greater than BC. So multiplying C right on both sides. Similarly, C is greater than D, comma, B greater than 0, because all are to be the positive numbers, implies BC is greater than BD. Left side we are multiplying with B on both sides, and this is the second condition. From 1, 2, AC is greater than BC and BC is greater than BD, implies AC is greater than BD. This is by transitive law or transitive property. Now, dividing the above inequality by CD on both sides, so that AC by CD is greater than BD by CD, implies as C is to be cancelled here and here is D is to be cancelled. This implies A by D is greater than B by C. So this is the result we need to prove with the given conditions. And next, problem 8. Eighth problem. For all A, B belongs to R, comma, A greater than B, then the result is to be A cube plus 3AB square is greater than B cube plus 3A square B. And now the solution is to be, let A, B belongs to R and A greater than B implies A minus B is greater than 0. So cubing on both sides, A minus B whole cube is 0 cube, it is nothing but 0. This implies expansion is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube is greater than 0. This implies, so keep the positive terms only in LHS, A cube plus 3AB square, take the negative terms to the right side of inequality. It is in order B cube plus 3A square B. So this is the result we need to prove. So these are all by using the properties of real numbers. Next, problem 9. For all A, B, C, D belongs to R plus, A greater than B and C greater than D, then the result is A plus C is greater than B plus D. In the seventh problem, what we proved there, A by D is greater than B by C, whereas now A plus C is greater than B plus D. Right. The solution is to be, let for all A, B, C, D belongs to R plus, that they are given, and one more is given, A greater than B and C greater than D. These the two conditions are given. Next, consider that A greater than B implies A minus B is greater than 0. Similarly, the other condition is to be C is greater than D implies C minus D is greater than 0. This implies adding the left sides of the above two, A minus B plus C minus D is greater than 0. As both are to be the positive terms, their sum also to be positive. As 2 is greater than 0, 4 is greater than 0. 2 plus 4 also to be greater than 0. This implies by associative, take the positive terms at first, A plus C, and from the negative terms, take minus is common, minus of B plus D is greater than 0. This implies, take the negative terms to the right side, A plus C is greater than B plus D, so that the result is to be true now, which is A plus C is greater than B plus D. Next, 10th problem. In continuation of that 9, the 10th one is, if for all A, B, C belongs to R plus, then show that A plus B plus C by 3 is greater than cube root of ABC. Cube root of ABC. See that the solution is to be, let for all A, B, C belongs to R plus, and we may prove that the condition is to be true, or the result is to be true. And A greater than B greater than C. Let us take this also to be the condition. And we prove that the result, it is to be A plus B plus C by 3 is greater than cube root of ABC. So let us take capital A is equal to x cube, because 3 terms are there, I will take x cube A. Similarly, B is equal to y cube. C is equal to z cube. Let A greater than 0, comma B greater than 0 implies A minus B is greater than 0. A minus B is greater than 0. Why? Because A is greater than B. Even here also let us take A greater than B for our convenience. So that automatically A minus B is greater than 0. This implies as A is positive, automatically X is also to be positive. So that X greater than X cube is positive, and then automatically X is also to be positive. X greater than 0, comma Y greater than 0. That implies as X greater than 0, Y greater than 0, and X greater than Y implies X minus Y is greater than 0. This implies squaring on both sides, X minus Y whole square is to be greater than 0. This implies x square minus 2xy plus y square is greater than 0. So take the negative terms to the right side and the positive terms in LHS as usual. X square plus y square is greater than 2xy. This is to be equation 1. Similarly, as xy terms I was taken, this is the first condition. If yz terms I will be take, similarly y square plus z square is greater than 2yz is to be the second equation. If I take zx or xz and x square plus z square is greater than 2xz, or z square plus x square is greater than 2zx. Both are same. This is the third equation. Adding the LHS of the inequalities. Adding 1, 2, 3. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies the left sides are to be, this is x square plus y square plus y square plus z square plus z square plus x square is greater than, the right sides are all 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx implies as all the x terms, y terms or z terms are to be twice, so that taking 2 is common, 2 into x square plus y square plus z square is greater than 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Right. As 2 is to be cancelled on both sides, so that the next will be x square plus y square plus z square, and take the all the terms to be negative left side. It is minus xy minus yz minus zx is greater than 0. The result is to be proved a plus b plus c whole divided by 3 is greater than or equal to or greater than cube root of abc. So multiply with x plus y plus z on both sides. Multiply with x plus y plus z on both sides, so that implies x plus y plus z into remaining is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is greater than x plus y plus z into 0 is 0. This implies it is the formula is to be, you already known that a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So what it will be? It is x cube plus y cube plus z cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is greater than 0. This implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube is greater than 3xyz. So substitute this all. X cube is that we are taken as a plus b plus c is greater than 3 into x is, as a is equal to x cube means x is equal to a to the power of 1 by 3. Similarly, b to the power of 1 by 3, c to the power of 1 by 3. This implies a plus b plus c by 3 is greater than cube root of abc. It is the result that we need to prove. Right. Now 11th problem. If for all a comma b belongs to R plus, comma a greater than b, then prove that a plus b by 2 is greater than square root of ab. Right. So previously, as the three terms are there, a, b, c, we have now only that a, b are there. Let for all a comma b belongs to R plus, comma a greater than b. These they are given. So now to prove that the result, we take let a is equal to x square, comma b is equal to y square. Then x is greater than 0, comma y is also to be greater than 0, as a, b's are to be positive. implies x minus y is greater than 0. This implies squaring on both sides, x minus y whole square is greater than 0. This implies x square minus 2xy plus y square is greater than 0. This is to be x square plus y square is greater than 2xy. Implies x square plus y square by 2 is greater than xy, as x square is to be now we had taken previously as a plus b by 2 is greater than a power 1 by 2, y value is b power 1 by 2. This implies a plus b by 2 is greater than root of ab. So this is the result they are asking. Now problem 12. If for all a comma b comma c comma d belongs to R plus, then prove that a plus b plus c plus d divided by 4 is greater than fourth root of a, b, c, d. Right. From the problems 10, 11, what we have, the three terms we have taken, a comma b comma c belongs to R plus. Then what we proved, a plus b plus c by 3 is greater than cube root of abc. In the 11th problem, taking only two terms, as a comma b belongs to R plus, then the result we proved a plus b by 2 is greater than root of ab. Whereas now four terms, so that all the four terms a plus b plus c by plus d divided by 4 is greater than fourth root of a, b, c, d. So how can we prove? The procedure is to be same as 11, 12. Let for all a comma b comma c comma d belongs to R plus, comma a greater than b comma c greater than d we have to take. Then from the 11th result, a plus b by 2 is greater than root ab, and from the same result, c plus d by 2 is greater than root cd. Let p is equal to a plus b by 2, comma q is equal to c plus d by 2. Comma p greater than q, then p plus q by 2 from the same result, 11th result, is greater than root pq. From problem 11. This implies as p is a plus b by 2 plus q is c plus d by 2 is greater than, even here also p value is a plus b by 2 into q value is c plus d by 2. This implies whole divided by 2. This is 2. This implies LCM is A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 4 is greater than, what is A plus B by 2 value, is greater than root of AB. So root of, only root is there, this value is again root AB, and this value is to be root CD. Which is greater than root of AB to the power of 1 by 2, CD to the power of 1 by 2. It is greater than root of, that is AB whole to the power of 1 by 2 into CD whole power 1 by 2. This is the result, whole to the power of 1 by 2. This implies A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 is greater than, so taking this all, A, B, C, D whole to the power of 1 by 4. Right. And is A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 is greater than 4th root of A, B, C, D. So that the result is that they're asking is the important result, because it is obtained by the first 10th and 11th problems. Thank you very much.